Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to show you how to turn off vibration on silent mode on your iPhone. It's a super easy trick that can save you from those annoying silent mode buzzes. Okay, so first things first, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you've done that, scroll down until you find Sounds and Haptics, and tap on it. Next, look for the Haptics option. It should be right under the ringtone slider, and tap on that. Now, this is where the magic happens. If you only want to disable vibration when your iPhone is on silent, tap on Don't Play in silent mode. And that's it. You can now close the Settings app. The next time you get a notification while your iPhone is in silent mode, it won't vibrate.
Super simple, right?
Now, this is based on my personal experience, but I hope it helps you out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll be sure to check them out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. All relevant links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.